Hello everyone. In my previous video, I showed you how to upload and share a PowerPoint in your Blackboard Collaborate session. But maybe you don't work with PowerPoints in your classes. That's okay. In this video, we'll review how you can share your screen or share a virtual whiteboard. So we'll go back to the Share Content menu in the Collaborate panel. Left click, and now we can see our options. To share a whiteboard, left click on Share Blank Whiteboard, and there's your whiteboard. What also appears are tools that you can use to write on that whiteboard. You have a pencil, a shapes tool, and a text box that you can type in. The default color is blue, as you can see from the blue dot. But click on that dot, and a menu of different colors opens. Click on a different color, and you can start writing in that color. You also have a pointer tool, the finger, that you can use to draw attention to what you've shared, and an eraser that you can use to clear the board. Please note though, as you've seen, the eraser is not selective. Left click it and you clear the board. And more importantly, your students have access to whiteboard tools, including the eraser. If you plan to use the whiteboard, make sure you talk with your students so that the eraser button doesn't get pushed when you don't want it to. Be assured that anything that you have written on your whiteboard will still be available in your course session recording. So please make sure that you are recording. Now, let's look at how you can share an application or your screen. An application is an individual file or web page or software program. Sharing through this feature allows you to work in that file in real time. You can make changes and your students can see it happening on the screen. So, from the Share Your Screen window, you can choose the application window that you want. And once you see it on the screen, you can start making edits. To share your screen, you have options. If you're working in Google Chrome, you can share an individual browser window, listed here as Chrome tabs. Select one, click Share, and when it pops up, you'll see two notifications. One at the top of the window, and the other one on the tab itself. Please note, though, if you choose to share a Chrome tab, you're only sharing this tab. If you click on a different link that goes to another window, your students may or may not go with you depending on whether the change took place on the same screen or opened a different tab. If you want to share multiple web pages and you don't want to have to worry about whether the screen will open on a different window or the same one, then you should share your entire screen. This will allow you to navigate from page to page. But watch what happens when you choose to share your entire screen. This is not an accident or a mistake. This is Blackboard's tunnel, and it's here to remind us that what we intended to share is probably still another click away in one of the tabs at the top of the screen. Click on any one of these, and your students will be able to see the screen just as you planned it. To end this function, click the Browser tab for your Blackboard Collaborate session. You'll see that tunnel again. And then click the circle and square icon.